Welcome, everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Southern fried cabbage and sausage. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients. Crushed red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, crushed garlic. I have here andouille sausage, bacon that I cubed up, red pepper and green pepper, onion sliced up, and of course, the cabbage. I've already washed them and cut them up. I have a skillet here. I'm going to turn it on medium low. And we're going to fry the bacon bits, the bacon slices, rather. Gonna put them in the pan.
I always like the smell of bacon. Bacon is always good.
Yeah, it smells delicious. Now let's flip them over to this side.
Gotta watch that oil. It pops up a lot.
Yeah, see. Now the bacon has fried up and I've taken it out. And now I'm going to fry the sausage. I'm using andouille smoked sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like.
This is almost like turning it into a Cajun dish almost, you know?
It's a southern dish, fried cabbage.
I know down south, cabbage goes really hard. It's a popular dish. Anything with cabbage on it.
You'll saute this up. About a minute on each side, or maybe 30 seconds on each side, and flip it over. Now I'm going to take these out. They've cooked enough. Have it on a paper towel so that the paper towel will absorb any oils from the meat. Now we're going to add the sliced up onion. And we're going to saute this up for about a minute. Now I'm going to add the minced garlic, the diced peppers, the Cajun seasoning, the smoked paprika, black pepper. And now we're going to add the cabbage.
Is this mainly eaten as a side dish or a main dish?
Well, it's the main dish because they usually serve it with rice on the side. Now let's see how the cabbage is coming along. That's good. Now we're going to add, this is optional, some red pepper flakes. Give it a little heat. Now we're going to add the sausage and the bacon back into the pan.
I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of cabbage. I ate so much of it as a child when you used to make it that I don't. Now it's not my personal thing, but I know so many people like it.
Now we're going to mix everything up together and we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Here you have it, Southern fried cabbage and sausage. Enjoy. Now, this fried cabbage, most people in the South serve it with rice or even cornbread. They make cornbread and they serve it with cornbread. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.